Let me tell you a story about being rich and being wealthy. So I'm reminded of the story of Elon Musk. So as we know, he's one of the richest, actually I would say wealthiest person right now on Earth. So as you know, diba, he started yung PayPal muna yung nauna eh. But even before that, may isa pa siyang internet company. No, but yung PayPal yung isang biggest success niya by far at that time. So what he did, well, he sold PayPal and well, he made hundreds of millions. So what he did, ang passion niya kasi is engineering. No? He really wanted to send people to aerospace engineering, to space or to Mars. He had this childhood dream. So he never considered yung pag-sold niya sa PayPal as the end. It's just a means, so to speak. So at that time, imagine mo, you sold the company, so you are rich, di ba? Rich siya nun, no? Dami niya milyones. But he still risked it in the pursuit of his dream of sending people to Mars. So what he did was, sabi niya, ang dream niya is to make the human species a multi-planetary species. Grabe, no vision. And he put up a company called SpaceX.